Seattle Art. Welcome to our live stream. Our company, Seattle Art, has been established for about 14 years. And now we are focused on 4 categories of our products: the art, the oil painting, shadow box, and the printing art. Now I will show you around our showroom. Firstly, I want to introduce our collage art. This kind of products is very environmental popular, and they are all designed by our special design team. I mean, it's all our original designs. And you can see from the products, there are many pieces to make up a design. For this one, this is many small pieces to pick one by one and to shape a picture inside. Also, you can see there are many sizes. For this kind of products, the largest size is about 100 by 155. Also, there's many subjects. You can see there's many subjects: the cars, motorbike, and the buildings. Also, you will find there are some different backgrounds. Like this one, they have a white background, and that one, they have a black background. So we can do the design for you according to your requirements. That means we can do the OEM for you. As I said, these designs are all our original designs, so we have the copyright reserved. Okay, so you can take some close-up look at the buildings. Okay, let me show you next one. Here you can also see many subjects about this range of products. Sorry. There are animals, and this range are very popular. You can say it's very hot selling the playing cards, something like the ace, and we also have the king, the card king and queen. Also the dogs, the horse. Okay, also we have smaller size, something like these ones. So you maybe also notice, for example, this one there are 2 mats, and this is without mat. So it depends the design. When we design these products, our designers will think about which may be suitable for the design. Okay, let me show you another one.